Look there, Colt Nash. Daddy's in the big crane today. It's been raining. I can't hardly see my window. Woo-hoo! Look at there, bud. That's what, 480 foot of boat. I'm 200 foot above that roof. Daddy booming that sucker down. Daddy booming her down. Hey, look at he got her pegged out. Oh, look at that boom hoist charge pressure. Heck yeah, man, I got her. How you doing, buddy? Daddy loves you, man. Daddy's working hard to make us some money, boy. This is a big old sucker, ain't it, man? I love you, buddy. Bubbing down. Mitch is an idiot, but he's flagging me pretty good. Alright, buddy. I gotta get off here. I'm gonna start cabling down. Love you, bye-bye.